So let's have a look on some of the landing page tools available inside Affkit. Well, there are a bunch of tools available for improving your landing page. I'm not going through all of them in this video, but below the video you can find a list with all the tools and understand exactly how they can help you improve the performance of your landing page. Here I'm going to show you just a few of them, just to show you the ones that I really like and that I use like really on a daily basis. So let me show you one that's going to help you stop wasting your traffic, because I'm sure that if you have people going to your page, landing page, e-commerce stores, whatever it is that you are promoting, and leaving those pages without performing any action, without supplying your email address and subscribing for the list, without buying a product, without sharing something on social media, without doing anything, that is traffic that you're just wasting, and that's just not acceptable in such a competitive world that we have now. So if you're just wasting traffic, you're going to get kicked out of the game by our competitors pretty fast. And this tool is going to prevent you from doing that, because the exit intent pop-up is going to give you a second chance to get a conversion on your page. So here's how it works. When the visitor is about to leave your web page, so that's traffic that's already lost. The person is about to leave, hit the close button and move on. When that happens, this exit intent pop-up is triggered, and it actually allows you to expose the visitor before they leave your web page to anything you want. So it can be very useful for offering them an amazing gift for capturing their email address, and you see that you're going to start building lists here almost on autopilot with the campaigns that you already have, simply by integrating those campaigns with the exit intent pop-up tool. Also, you can use this to promote a secondary offer. You can use this to get them to do something on social media, like share something on their timeline to attract more visitors to your website or e-commerce store. So a really powerful tool that gives you the chance to have a second shot with every single visitor who is about to leave your website without doing anything. So here is how it works. It's very simple to set up this tool. All you have to do is to choose how many seconds you want to delay the pop-up. Then you can customize all the style of the pop-up, let's say. So the border, the color, the style of the border. You can customize the size of the pop-up as well. And here you can put the content. You can put anything you want here. You can put an image here, you can put text here, you can put links here to landing page, you can put links here to fan page, you can put links here to other offers or additional offers. You can really put anything you want here in this pop-up. So let me just, for example, instead of dash it, let me choose double for the border. Here you have a preview to see how it looks like. Let me put a killer headline that grabs attention here. Okay, killer headline here. Make it bold, and I'm gonna make it do something like this just to grab a lot of attention. Just highlight it. Okay, just an example to see how easy it is to customize the content of your pop-up. I'm gonna increase the size as well just to make it bigger. Okay, and then when the user is about to leave your page, this is what's gonna happen. Okay, the person is going to be exposed to your pop-up, and here you're going to have a second chance to avoid losing a visitor, to avoid wasting your traffic, which is absolutely essential. And then you click here on this green button as soon as you're ready, setting up the pop-up, and then you just get the script and you activate it, and it's working on your page. Very, very simple to use. Let me show you another one that's also very interesting. It's actually probably one of the most powerful things you can do to increase the conversion rate of a sales page or of a landing page. It's to use an urgency timer. If you've been around in the internet marketing industry for a while, I'm sure you've seen a bunch of sales pages, and you've seen that many of those sales pages, they actually have a lot of urgency timers there. And it's very important because those timers, they do increase the conversion rate significantly. This is what happens. Most people are lazy. Most people procrastinate. So they make a decision, but they still do not take action. They procrastinate and let that for the next day. So you have to get them to pull the trigger instantly, and for you to do it, you have to use urgency timers. And I think that any internet marketers who use that who use urgency timers on their page knows that when the timer is about to hit 0, the conversion rate just goes through the roof. We always get a surge of leads and sales, and that is why people use these timers so often on their sales page and landing page. And if you're not doing this, you're just giving your visitors the chance to continue to be late, to continue to procrastinate, and do not buy your product. So you have to start using urgency timers really urgently. Okay, so here is how it is. It's very easy to set up. You just put, let's say that the timer shows, for example, just 10 minutes, let's say. And then we're going to show hours, minutes, and seconds. And here is a preview that shows you how the timer is working. Then you can customize the timer. You can make it look much bigger. You can make it, you can use a different color here. And well, you can, of course, customize the urgency timer, but it's pretty simple. You customize the timer, you set the time. You can also choose, it's optional, of course, URL where people get redirected to after the timer hits 0. And well, then you put this on your web page. It's very easy to do it. You're going to get the instructions, and there is also a tutorial video here showing how to do that. And you'll see that as soon as this timer starts approaching 0, you're going to always get a surge of leads and sales. So it's very powerful. Okay, let me show you another one. Let me show you the dynamic elements tool, which I think is very interesting as well, because this one I use to grab attention, and I use this tool here to get people to read what I want them to read, and also to get people to click the elements I want them to click, such as buttons or links. This is very powerful. Basically, it allows you to apply a very eye-catching effect on any element of your page. Okay, so here we have just a piece of text, but it could be any other element, and we're going to just put it here for you to see how it works. So let's put bounce in and bounce down, for example, for you to see. Then we have the flip effects, zoom in and zoom down. Let me put the flash effect here. The shake one is very nice. Okay, so as you can see, you can apply very nice effects to your elements on your landing page, e-commerce store, whatever it is. And this is going to grab a lot of attention. You can put a discount here, you can put a call to action, and this is going to grab a lot of attention, and it's going to improve the performance of your web page. So these are all very easy to use tools. All of them come with this video tutorial that shows you exactly how to use the tool, but all of these tools, they are very, very powerful for increasing the conversion rate and improving the performance of your landing page. And actually, these tools I showed you, they are just a few examples. Below this video, you should have a complete list of the landing page tools available inside Affkit. And also, that list is going to help you understand what each tool can do for you and how each tool can help you make more money. All right, so that's it. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and make sure to grab Affkit as soon as possible to start putting these things to work on your landing page and sales page and start making more money. Hey, and in this video, I want to show you just a couple mobile tools we've got inside Affkit, and I also want to take this chance to explain to you how powerful those tools can be to increase your conversion. So the first one is the mobile vibration tool, and well, it's pretty obvious why you can do it. It can help you use this vibration effect to grab attention of mobile users. So when people go to your page, you can use this effect to make sure that they pay attention to your page in case they have more tabs open on their phone and they are using multiple things or doing multiple things at the same time. You can keep grabbing their attention. So you can choose how much time or in how many seconds you want to delay the first vibration. And once that one happens, you can choose how long it lasts. Then what was the pause between the first and the second one. And then you can choose the duration of the second one as well. So basically what you can do here is keep grabbing attention and make sure that people pay attention to what you're doing or to what you're trying to show them, and to increase your conversion rate by doing that. Because most people, they don't pay attention to things, especially if you're using pop-up or pop-under traffic. But not only that, any type of page can grab more attention on mobile phones with these effects and increase the conversion rate. Another tool that's very interesting as well is the back button redirect. This one is extremely powerful because most people, when they are browsing the internet on their phone, they use the back button to leave a page. And every time they hit the back button to leave your page, you're going to have the chance to redirect them to another page. And this is incredibly powerful because you get a second shot. If you're losing the visitor, when they hit the back button, you in a normal day, you would have lost them. they would just be gone. And with this feature, you can now get them to go to another page. You can expose them to another offer. You can try to capture their email. You can try to get them to perform any action that you want after they have already decided to leave your page. So you basically get a second chance to use your traffic or to reuse your traffic so that you do not waste your visitors. This is going to just skyrocket the conversion rate of your mobile campaigns. And these are just a couple of the tools available inside. There is more, and you can check out the full list below this video. Hey, and in this video, I want to show you an awesome tool we've got inside Affkit that's going to help you rapidly and easily integrate your landing page or web page with your autoresponders. So let me just go to the email integration tool. It works with both MailChimp and Aweber. Here you get a complete video tutorial showing how to use it, but it's actually very, very simple. The first thing you have to do is to choose whether you want to go with MailChimp or Aweber. For this example, I'm going to choose Aweber. Here you get the instructions on how to generate the form inside Aweber, and after you do that, you just paste the form code here and hit the next integrate email button. Once you do that, you're going to have two options here. One is just upload your landing page file here. You upload the file and hit the download button, and then you're going to download the exact same file, but that file is going to be now integrated with your autoresponder. As simple as that. Another option you have is to patch a form code. If you get a form from any other source that you want to integrate with your autoresponder, you can also put that HTML code here. It works as well. Hit the patch button, and you're going to get the code back here, but now integrated with the autoresponder. Very simple to use. You will never have to worry about integrating your page with autoresponders again. It's not going to be, it will no longer be a time-consuming task for you, and that you're not going to need any tutorials or research on YouTube or anything like that. Very simple to do it with this tool, and as you just saw, you can do this literally in just a few seconds. Hey, and in this video, I just want to show a couple awesome tools we've got inside Affkit for manipulating images. Well, we have quite a few tools here for manipulating images, but I want to focus on two of them here. And the first one I'm going to show you is the banner tweaker. As you certainly know, when we're running advertising campaigns, whether it is on Facebook, media buying platforms, or any type of advertising campaign, we always have to split test different ads, different banner ads to find out which ones have a better performance. So this tool makes it very easy to create banner variations that are more eye-catching and that will improve your performance on pretty much any advertising platform. I love this tool for using with Facebook ads. I always use this tool when I'm going to run a new Facebook ads campaign, but it can be used with any other advertising platform as well. So let me show you how it works. The first thing you have to do is to upload a banner or an image here. And once we're done with that, then we just hit the next button. And here we already have all the effects already pre-made. So you just choose the ones you want to use or the ones you want to activate. And once you're done selecting the effects you want, just click Apply Selected Tweaks. And here we go. You get all the variations of your ad, of your banner here. You just have to download them and upload them to Facebook or to the advertising platform you're using. So there's no need for any technical knowledge here. You don't have to use Photoshop or any fancy image editor to make your banners a lot more eye-catching. Okay, the other tool I want to show you is the image Resizer and Cropper. Here we go. This one, it's also very, very useful, and it's going to help you create banner ads for your campaigns, for Facebook, for other advertising campaigns. You can also use this to crop and resize images to use on your landing page and web page. So again, let me just upload an image. And then I hit next, and here I can resize the image. We have some pre-made size, which are the most used size for advertising platforms. So most of the banner ads you'll see out there, they are in one of these formats here. Okay, both desktop and mobile. But you can also specify any size that you want, or you can crop the image if you'd like to crop it. You have this feature that allows you to crop it, keeping the proportion so that it's not going to get distorted, or you can hit options here and remove the fixed selection, and then you can crop it in any way you want. Okay, once you're done, you just click crop and resize. You get the image to download, and you're done. It's really that simple. So you no longer have to have those distorted images on your page that just look terrible, and you can also easily create banners for running on advertising platforms. Let's say you want to set up an ad to run on Facebook. You find an awesome image that you want to use, but the size of the image, it's just not compatible with Facebook ads. So when you upload it on Facebook, it doesn't look that good. Well, it's very easy. You can just use these two here to crop the image, put it in the right size, and then you can use it on the advertising platform. I'm using Facebook as an example, but it works with any advertising platform, and it's an extremely useful tool that you're going to use probably on a daily basis if you're running paid advertising campaigns. Do you know the reason why most beginners fail when setting up their campaigns? Well, the reason that happens, it's not because they do not know how to set up campaigns or how to create campaigns. The reason why their campaigns fail miserably most of the times is because they lack optimization. You know, when you want to make a campaign profitable on the internet, you don't make it profitable right out of the gate. You set up the campaign, you start getting traffic, you read your metrics, you understand your numbers, because this is a numbers game. So you understand your numbers, and then you optimize the campaign to make it profitable. If you do not know how to read your metrics, how to understand your numbers, and how to do the right things to improve your campaigns, you just will never be able to make those campaigns profitable. And that is actually the only difference between the beginners who are always struggling and the top level marketers who make a ton of money on the internet. So what you have to do is learn how to optimize your campaigns properly. Fortunately, Affkit's going to make it very easy for you, because you're not going to have to learn all the complicated stuff. You're going to use our break-even calculator, and it's going to show you exactly what is wrong with your campaign. It's going to show you what goals you should have, how much you should pay per click, what is the ideal conversion rate of your campaign, and it's going to show you exactly what elements you have to change or improve in order to start getting better results. So let me just allow you to have a quick look inside the break-even calculator. It's very simple. It's going to give you a complete report as soon as you supply some basic information about your campaigns. You just fill out this quick form, you hit next, and it gives you a complete report showing you exactly what you have to do to make more money with your campaign. If a campaign is losing money, it's going to help you understand how you can turn a positive ROI. If you're already making money, it's going to help you understand how you can make even more money with that campaign. So very powerful stuff that puts proper optimization at the reach of beginners and people with no deep knowledge on analyzing metrics and understanding how the campaigns work and how all those complicated numbers work together. So definitely a powerful tool that's going to help you put more money in your pocket.